Hello everyone, this is Sam's son Omar here. Just making a quick video, recapping what happened today with my new system on Nasdaq. Today was a very bad day as far as price action is concerned, right? Mostly ranging for the whole day, and it had a couple moves, but it was just ranging for most of the time, right? And you can see here on the Renko charts how just complete sideways movement, and then we had towards the end of the day, a little bit of nice moves. And even in the middle of the day, right, we were ranging for most of the day, and then we had move down and a very nice move up. But even in such a bad day, my second system still ended up being profitable. A little bit, 25-point profit. But that's still, I mean, I consider that good, even though this was a terrible day, right? We ended up in profit. So I'm just gonna quickly go over the signals that I gave today. It's gonna be a very short video. But I'm trying to do this every day so you guys can, see how the system works. So the day started here. Nasdaq did gap down a lot, and on the Renko charts, it doesn't really show a gap, it just fills it in. But so this was the gap down, basically. And actually, right before the gap, there was already a short setup made, by the way. These two short setups and huge gap down. Um, but with my second system, right, if we were just to see how many trades went bad versus good, let's count the bad ones first, right? We had one bad trade here. And remember, we have a 25-point stop loss and a 100-point take profit. So we had a bad trade here. Even though these are two signals, this is technically one trade, right? You're entering here, and you're not going to enter again, right? So basically it's one signal. Bad trade here, bad trade here, bad trade here. That's three, four, five, going six, and seven, right? Seven bad trades today. And all of this ranging, right? Seven bad trades. So if you were to multiply that by 25, right? That would be 175-point negative. However, we had this good trade here, 100 plus 100 points. And we had this trade right here, or exactly like very, very, this would have been close, but 102 points. So with a take profit of 100, we had two good trades with 200-point profit minus 175-point loss. You still ended up with 25-point profit for the day. So far so good. Last week it ended up with 375-point profit, or somewhere around there. I'm not sure if that's the exact number. And then 2 weeks ago it also ended up with 375-point profit. So far so good. This week, let's see what happens. Monday, 25-point positive. We still got a whole week left. So let's see how this works. For the ones who did get the system, I already sent out the uh, setup video on how to actually set it up on your MT4. If you haven't got it yet, then make sure to email me. It is on discount, I think, right now. Um, it costs 500, but it's on discount for $300 on the website. So if you are interested, then take advantage. Sale ends in a couple days, either in 2 days or 3 days. I'll extend it if anything, but for now, I think 2 days. So until the 5th of February, it's for $300 instead of 500. So again, if you're interested, go to the website and get it, and then you'll get the folder with the files, and you'll get a video on how to set up the system on your MT4. Okay. And if you have any questions, then make sure to just email me, myforexmagicwave@gmail.com, and I'll try my best to answer any questions. All right. So that's it for now, and talk to you guys later.